Hey, what's up everyone? So a friend of mine asked me to make a walk around video on his 1987 Turbo Buick because he's selling it, and a guy that is interested in it was asking him if he had a video. Well, he thought he would ask me to help him make a quick video so that he could show that guy a little bit about the car. So I made two videos for him. One I posted on my wife's channel. The other one I'm just going to post here real quick. This is just a quick edit that I did to some music. This is with the Canon EOS R6. Most of it was 60 frames per second, but I was in a lot of the wrong settings for a lot of the videos. Some of it I did manual, some of it I did auto, but when I was in manual, sometimes I had the shutter speed set incorrectly and my ISO was way too high. But I still think it turned out half decent. So let me know, guys, down below what you guys think of this quick clip. It was a little bit wobbly, but like I said, this was just something I threw together really quick for him. So I hope you guys found this enjoyable. If you want to learn more about the Canon EOS R6 and what it can do, please make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell, and I will see you guys around on the next one. Thanks for watching.